Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with another video for you all, and it is about fitness. And I know this topic is not in on my channel from the well-known brands called Fasten Up, and they have sent me a few of their bestsellers products. So here I have this small box, and you can see the packaging, what it looks like, what they have sent me. Thank you so much Fasten Up for collaborating with me, and I will be showing you products, what I have got and what I've been using from some time, and how it is relevant and important for your body. So I'll be sharing you a few tablets that I have got from this brand, and we all know like how important it is to charge yourself on a daily basis in this busy routine, guys. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. And also please subscribe my channel, show some love to this video, and please share it with your friends and family. And you can also follow me on Instagram for more such content about beauty, traveling and fitness. So yes, so I'm gonna talk about first thing first, which is Fasten Up Charge, and it has natural vitamin C and zinc in this particular tablets that I've got. And the quantity of this tablets, I think 20 per bottle, which is huge. And you can actually consume this tablet on a daily basis for give fuel to your body. That's what I meant. And अगर मैं आपकी बात करूँ इस particular tablets के बारे में, so I have this bottle as well, which I'm going to talk about a little later, just after this. So stay tuned on my video, do not skip this video. So yes, so अगर मैं इसके ingredients की बात करूँ guys, so इसमें आपको natural vitamin C and zinc मिलता है. You know how vitamin C is important for your skin, for your health and for your daily life. So you can also give a try. It's very natural, it won't give you any side effect. And also guys, like you can actually go to the website, check out all the product. They have amazing discount going on this time, and also you can use my coupon code, which I'll be sharing in the description box and on my Instagram. So stay tuned for that, and please check out for the huge discount. Okay, so in this the ingredients are already mentioned in this bottle. You can actually read everything. So it gives you energy, protein, carbs, so what not. I mean, you have everything in just one small bottle, and आपको इतना time spend नहीं करना पड़ेगा to make something, to prepare something for yourself. आज की life में, you know, COVID की situation में we all need immunity, and this is one of the best thing. You can get a vitamin C with just one tablet. You don't need to rush on things, and if you're going to office, you just need to carry this bottle. You just you need to take out, you know, 250 grams of water, dip this tablet into water, just like Disprin. You know, we have actually taken Disprin in life, I mean in the past as well, but right now don't use Disprin, it is not good for your body. However, this particular zinc tablet, it's amazing. It has n number of benefits about vitamin C. You can always check out what are the benefits of vitamin C. It helps you to get a glow on your skin, and also for your body it gives you instant energy. So always, मतलब इसकी एक टैबलेट लेनी है, पानी 250 ml के में डालना है, and you're sorted. आपको इसको पीना है, like you can take, you know, 1 or 2 like in a day, and you're good to go. आपको इसके अलावा और कुछ भी ट्राई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. like lot of fruits, अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, you cannot you know, get a hands on like oranges and some other source of vitamin C. This tablet will be doing wonders on your skin and your health. So it's like overall product which you need in life, and trust me guys, it works best for me. In few weeks I actually find myself little you know, energetic, and I don't feel lazy or lethargic. So yes, because you know COVID की situation के बाद we all feel like बहुत lazy सा, and no, we know like अगर जैसे मतलब हम work from home कर रहे हैं, we are not getting, you know, going out for some reason for some time, but like you can actually take this product, I mean whenever you need, whenever you have time, just take out one tablet and sip it with your water. It will give you bubbles and very good taste, trust me. Like it has orange taste, so you will like it. It's not that bitter or something. It's a very good product. So thumbs up from mine. So thank you so much Fasten Up for sending me this amazing product. Yes, and it actually claims what it said. So Fasten Up Charge, it is, you know, it actually charges body. So yeah, Now the next product I'm gonna talk about, which is, I have got like 2 bottles of this, a small. I love this product, like Fast and Vitalize. It will be fulfilling all your vitamins, deficiency if you have. This product will be doing wonders. And इसमें सारे minerals, vitamins आपको इतनी छोटी सी pet bottles में मिलेंगे. इस वाली bottle में I got just like 10 tablets, but I also have a big bottle. You can see I've ordered a big bottle. Yes, you heard me right. So this is the big bottle I've got with the 20 tablets. It is good enough to go to your daily रूटीन में. मतलब आप इसको easily ले सकते हो. एंड इसका भी सेम मेथड है. यू कैन डिप इट, either you can chew it if you want, but I actually find it more convenient like while drinking in water. So it's just that it has like 250, you just need a 250 gram of water, and then you can dip this tablet. And ये थोड़ा ना मतलब एक वो create कर देता है, just like Eno, right? Yeah, so ये उसकी तरह हो जाएगा, and then you just need to sip it. That's it. I mean, it's very simple to consume, no hard and fast rule in this. And it also has a orange flavor. Like if you see closely, this is the packaging, and this is very very good, guys. And इसके अंदर like आपको सिर्फ ये once in a daily लेनी है. I'm sorry for the background noise, something is going on on my building, so yeah. So it has more natural ingredients in this particular product. You don't need anything much apart from this, and it helps you to fill your daily requirements of vitamins and minerals, help you to stay active and energetic throughout the day, as I said before. So it's like आप कहीं से भी आ रहे हो, धूप में चल के आ रहे हो, and if you're finding yourself lazy and जैसे कुछ करने का मन नहीं होता, you just come and have a sip of water. So much it gives you water retention. Please do not drink water after you come home instantly, because आप बाहर से आते हो, अचानक से सारा पानी पी लेते हो, वो आपकी जो बॉडी है वो वाटर को होल्ड कर लेती है. Don't do it. Either take a sip, because this is just an extra tip I'm giving to you. If you would like to be active throughout the day, this is the best tip. Please apply on your daily routine. And yeah, so it's like it's an ideal thing for active lifestyle. This is what I meant. It has multiple ingredients like vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, and vitamin A, D3, K1, B5, like what not. You have everything in one bottle, guys. You don't need to rush on things like आपके कोई vitamin किसी चीज से ले रहे हो, fiber किसी चीज से ले रहे हो. All you need this tablet and you're sorted for the day. So I think you should give a try to this particular product. It has amazing benefits. इसमें कोई भी आपको कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का साइड इफेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा. Yes, for my ladies as well, it is completely safe for your even cycles, and you can take in your cycles as well. It won't be harming at all. And boys, you can also go for it. No, like matter what you're feeling, just go for this product and check out the website, guys, and you'll be getting amazing discount already. And please use my code below in the description box that I have generated for you all. And please, इससे मुझे कुछ भी मिलने वाला नहीं है, just that I'm supporting this brand as a business. So yeah, and hope you will be liking this video, and you will be giving your comments to your beautiful thoughts about this particular video. And I'll be just connecting with you guys someday on live, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Please chit chat there. Sometimes if you have any questions, you can directly talk to me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit like and please subscribe this video and show some love. Okay.